Hi, welcome to our first class. Today we're gonna starting with alphabet and learning how to read German texts at all levels. By the end of these episodes, I will promise that you will be able to read all texts at all levels without any single problem. Let's go. Okay. Now, we have our first point here. Okay, almost all nouns in the German language have gender. I wrote almost. What does it mean? That means not all of the words, just almost, okay? And another point in the German language is that we have always exceptions. That means it's something that don't follow the rule. Okay? And here I wrote all nouns. That means just nouns have a gender, not adjectives, not adverbs, not verbs, or etc. And please underline these two words. Almost and all nouns. Okay, there is actually no rule for the gender of the words in the German language. No, there is some rules, but they don't work exactly. Okay, and we must do memorizing the gender of the words. From now, I want to hear all of the words just with gender. Okay? I know it's hard, but we don't have any other way. Okay, let's start. Here we have article. As I said, that means gender of the words. Our first article is der. Okay? Der. Repeat after me. Der. Der. All right. Okay, here we have an increasing intonation, We say der, That's a gender for masculine. The second one is die. Die, okay? All right, die we use for feminine. And the last one we have das. Das. And we use das for neutral. Now, we start with alphabet. Okay? Look. Das alphabet. Here I have a question. Why did I put das before alphabet? Have you any idea? Exactly. Because it's a noun. And another rule we have. We always have to write the nouns in an uppercase alphabet. Look, I mean capitalize, and there's no difference between at the beginning of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence, or at the end of the sentence. If we have a noun, we should write it in uppercase alphabet. Please pay attention. Okay, now we start with our first alphabet. Our first alphabet is A. Okay? A. Repeat after me. A. A. Okay? There is no A, A. Okay? It's A and sounds A. Perfect. For example, das Abkommen. Das Abkommen. That means agreement. Our next alphabet is B. Okay? Repeat. B. B. All right. Die Bank. Die Bank. Okay, that means a bank. Okay, here I should add another point. In German language, we have one rule. It's better to say I have one rule. We read everything we see. We don't omit an alphabet, or we don't give up on reading anything. Okay, the third one is C. Okay? Repeat. C. C. Very well. For example, their computer. Their computer. Here I have a question. What did I say? Computer. Huh? We said we read everything we see. Have you an idea? Yes, international words. And the last one is de. Okay? Repeat after me. De. De. For example, das Dorf. Das Dorf. Repeat. Das Dorf. Okay. Excuse me, let's put it here. Here we have a. Okay? Repeat after me. A. A. We have here what? Essen. Repeat. Essen. Essen, that means to eat. Here I have another question. Why didn't I put an article or a gender before this word? Exactly, because it's a verb. And for this reason, I wrote it with small alphabet. The next one is F. Okay? F. Repeat. F. It sounds F. Okay? And please don't forget our rule. Die Familie. Die Familie. Okay? We read everything we see. Die Familie. Okay? That means a family. The third one is G. Okay? G. Repeat. G. Die Gabel. Die Gabel. A fork. And here we have ha. Okay? Repeat. Ha. Ha. It sounds he. Ha. He. Here we have die Hand. Okay? That means a hand. Okay. Now we start with E. Okay? Repeat after me. E. E. Okay? For example, we have der Igel. Der Eagle. What does it mean? That means a hedgehog. Okay? Okay, go. The next one, okay, please pay attention. It's yacht. Yacht. Repeat. Yacht. It sounds yeah. Okay? Yeah. For example, das Jahr. Das Jahr. Here we have again an increasing intonation here. Exactly with there. Okay? Here we have Jahr. Das Jahr. That means a year. The third one is ka. Ka. It sounds k. Die Kraft. Die Kraft. Or you can say Kraft. We will learn it. Die Kraft, that means the power. And the last one is L. Exactly like English. L. L. Das Land. Huh? Das Land. That means a country.